Hi, I'm River. Hi, I'm Shade. And we are going to show you how we open up our tent.
Oh my goodness. I'm dying.
And you may know us from our reaction videos.
Yeah. This is the most ridiculous thing ever.
Mom.
We're not tenters. Anyways, Andy wanted to make a video and then he didn't record it, and we thought poles were already in the sucker, and there aren't poles.
Oh my God, Mom.
In it.
Mom. That's the funny part. Chayo, chayo.
Anyways, there's Andy putting it together. We'll see.
I'm just gonna attach it, baby. I have no idea.
Daddy, say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Alright, he may not have been in our other videos because he was
we don't, I don't
somewhere.
Know about this,
so
probably
yeah.
smart to be yanking on it like that.
Yeah, don't yank on it. Just
immediately. So you guys will learn all about me. I love ice cream. I love chocolate.
Shade.
I love going camping. I love Girl Scouts. So I was just in the tent.
We have to stake it down. We're not staking it down.
Right, but like,
flat. What are we gonna use this for?
It's gonna be flat when we stake it.
What do we use this for?
it will be flat.
Yes.
Should we try it out?
Doesn't it look funky?
Well.
Right? Doesn't look right, right?
It looks right to me.
It does?
That's what I was envisioning. Whoa, whoa, baby. I don't know what this is for.
Maybe that's the rain.
This is the, maybe for the. Alright. So that's it. This is the tent. Thanks to Tiff's amazing skills of finding the instructions.
And
We got
I'm
it.
going inside right now.
So it says fast pitch. I don't know about the fast pitch, but
takes about 12
that was
minutes.
That was easy, but I don't like it. I don't like the setup. I was hoping it's quick and easy, but that's what we get. It was $100 on Amazon. I'll be happy. I can't wait to get to the Grand Canyon. So about 10 minutes the setup. That's from us carrying everything outside and figuring out what we were doing.
Is this? Dance! Dance! Dance in the tent! Dance! We made our tent. Remember, you're blocking the tent. Remember?
Shade.
Dance! 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 I said a dance, dance. I said a dance, dance. I said a dance, 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 dance. We are gonna take down our tent now.
Alright, yo, we're gonna take it down now.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our first video. Let's do this.
Alright, grab the corner.
Yay!
That baby?
Alright, y'all pull it towards y'all.
River, dude, you gonna knock me out, yo.
Alright. Alright. Put it in a bag and you're done. So how long was that?
6 minutes.
6 minutes. So, breakdown was a little bit faster, and I think that setup
Is probably the hardest.
no, I think once we get it and do it more, I think the more we do it, the easier it'll get.
Yep.
Anyways,
I didn't read
so
those instructions. I have no
Anyways.
idea what the time is.
I think we'll get it down pretty fast once we do it more. I don't think it'll be too hard. Whatever. It's camping.
Yeah. Camping.
We'll see.
We'll see.
It'll be fun when we set it up. For real.
Well, bye.